Plant FAQs. Heuchera sanguinea. Heuchera sanguinea. AQ and AMP. A with verb vu. Hi everyone, verb vu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Heuchera sanguinea, a stunning perennial known for its vibrant foliage and dainty flowers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about this delightful plant. What is Heuchera sanguinea? Heuchera sanguinea, also known as coral bells, is a herbaceous perennial native to the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. It boasts clump-forming, rounded foliage in various shades, from deep burgundy to chartreuse green. During spring and summer, the plant produces delicate, bell-shaped flowers in shades of pink or red, attracting hummingbirds and adding a touch of whimsy to your garden. How big does Heuchera sanguinea get? Heuchera sanguinea is a compact plant, typically reaching a mature height of 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 46 centimeters, with a spread of 12 to 15 inches, 30 to 38 centimeters. Its manageable size makes it a versatile choice for borders, edging walkways, or filling containers. Where can I plant Heuchera sanguinea? Heuchera sanguinea thrives in both full sun and partial shade. However, in hotter climates, afternoon shade is recommended to prevent the leaves from scorching. It prefers well-drained, moist soil with a slightly acidic pH, between 6.0 and 7.0. Amending your soil with organic matter like compost can improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. How do I care for Heuchera sanguinea? Heuchera sanguinea is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here's a quick rundown. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first year of growth and hot spells. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring to encourage healthy growth. Deadheading. Removing spent flowers promotes continuous blooming throughout the season. Simply pinch off the flower stalks at the base. Dividing. You can propagate Heuchera sanguinea by dividing mature clumps in early spring or fall. Does Heuchera sanguinea come back every year? Yes, Heuchera sanguinea is a perennial, meaning it returns year after year with proper care. In colder climates, USDA hardiness zones 4A to 8B, it remains evergreen, retaining its foliage throughout winter. In warmer zones, the foliage might die back in winter, but new growth emerges in spring. Are there different varieties of Heuchera sanguinea? Absolutely. Heuchera sanguinea boasts a wide range of cultivars, offering a kaleidoscope of foliage colors. Some popular varieties include Firefly, bright green leaves with prominent red veins. Melting Metal, silvery gray leaves with a metallic sheen. Obsidian, deep purple-black foliage that adds drama to shady areas. Plum Royale, rich plum-colored leaves with contrasting red veins. What are some common problems with Heuchera sanguinea? Heuchera sanguinea is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, here are a few potential issues to keep an eye on. Crown rot. This fungal disease can occur from overwatering. Ensure proper drainage and avoid splashing water on the leaves. Slugs and snails. These pests can munch on the leaves. Use organic methods like hand-picking or beer traps to control their population. Can I grow Heuchera sanguinea indoors? While Heuchera sanguinea prefers outdoor conditions, it can be grown indoors in a bright location with good air circulation. However, it might require more frequent watering and occasional supplemental lighting to maintain its vibrancy. How is Heuchera sanguinea different from Heuchera villosa? Heuchera sanguinea and Heuchera villosa are both popular coral bells varieties, but with some key differences. Heuchera sanguinea is generally more compact and has smoother, glossier leaves. Heuchera villosa, on the other hand, can grow taller and boasts hairy leaves with a textured appearance. Additionally, Heuchera villosa thrives in drier conditions compared to Heuchera sanguinea's preference for consistently moist soil. Conclusion. Heuchera sanguinea is a charming and low-maintenance plant that adds a touch of elegance and color to any garden. With its diverse foliage options and delicate flowers, it's a versatile choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. So, why not add this delightful perennial to your plant family?